we're here at Las Vegas! Woo! We're here at the Paris Hotel for a little family getaway. As you can see, we literally have such a great view. Isn't that crazy? So plan is that we're gonna just kind of walk around the hotel. Even though it's like a little bit late, we just want to explore a little bit and optimize our time here. We're supposed to be here a bit earlier, but our flight got delayed, so we're trying to make do with our time right now. Okay, stay tuned. Dinner devoured. Guys, time check. It is currently midnight right now. We haven't eaten since 1 p.m. so we're really hungry. We're waiting for a pizza, which is gonna take like 30 minutes to make.
Maybe 1 o'clock in the morning. My bedtime is 9 p.m.
Oh no. Day 2. So plan is we're gonna meet up with our family friends and then we're gonna get some brunch. We're heading down to MGM and we're just gonna walk along the strip, take some pictures, do some stopovers to explore a bit more of Las Vegas. I'm finally here with my family friends. We're having our brunch in Denny's, but making it American version. So let me see the difference. I don't know if there is any difference.
Not the best.
Not the best. Not even that good.
Yeah.
Not even that good. Like too much leftovers. Like I couldn't. Yeah. Give a rating.
It's very, very sweet, but it tastes really good. I'll give it a 9 out of 10.
Oh, this is a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? What is it?
10. Water.
Tarjay.
Tarjay?
Yo.
Bro's gonna flip this.
What's good, y'all, man? We out here. Win big.
We're gonna win?
1 million gazillion.
Let's see. Is that AI? Oh my gosh, it's moving the eyeballs.
That's scary.
Is that AI? This is AI, guys.
Wait, that's my friend. Oh, you baby, you got a little booger in there.
Walking like the whole day, guys. My feet are like dead right now. There it is, Wizard of Oz. That's the show we're gonna watch.
Someday I wish upon a a star and wake up where the clouds are far behind me.
I have a feeling we're not in Kansas anymore.
Maybe that'll help.
What is that? That's crazy.
help.
What is your wish for the wizard? What is your heart's true desire?
Happiness for all.
Everyone, look into my eyes. Scrap! Nearly for you lazy pot!
So we're gonna go to the Grand Canyon today. Super excited. Yes. It's gonna be super. Is it? Oh. Wait, is it really grand or is it not grand? Maybe it's giving mediocre. Mediocre canyon. Taste test again. It's been so long. Show my. Okay, next, casino breakfast with egg. Hi guys, we're here now walking to Hoover Dam. My family's first time to see the dam. I brought like a light flannel because I've been told that like it gets chilly when we're going to the Grand Canyon and such, but it's literally clear skies today.
An American icon. Oh, she's like that.
Did you know that Optimus Prime actually drove across that bridge?
That is wild.
Yeah, it's mad.
Isn't that crazy? It's very nice in it.
I mean, look at the size of these cars. Back in London, all the cars were only like 4-seaters. 11 seats.
I don't think that's 11. Why is there actually a line though there?
Yo, 10 line. 10 line, bro.
I don't know.
That
Right?
line is crazy.
So that's the erosion line.
Erosion? Erosion or tan line? What do you think?
Tan line.
A little stop over in the souvenir shop before we hop on the bus to see Grand Canyon. Guys, it's so beautiful. I think the Grand Canyon is grand.
Really? It's not mediocre?
Yeah, I think it lives up to its name. Okay, we're going to the skywalk. That's the skywalk. Okay, I don't want to go so right over there. But we moved our vlog to our phone because we're not allowed to bring our cameras and our hats and our personal belongings. So we're making do with this. Is the Grand Canyon gnarly? Oh, it's pretty gnarly actually. This is what I. That's so wild. How are we feeling? Ooh. Bet you never dance like this. First people to dance on the Grand Canyon. First person to dance gnarly. I didn't win any money, guys. I'm so sad. At least we just put in $10 only, but it's really purely out of luck at that point. Bobby's Burgers. Looks so fire. Day 4. It is now our last day here at Las Vegas. My family and I are just packing up, and then we have an early flight back home, so I think this is where I'm gonna end the vlog. Last look at our view in our hotel. Bye, Las Vegas. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time. Bye.